Hi everyone, welcome back. A while back I made these collage tags out of scraps and I've used some stickers. There's like 4 in this set that's matching and then 3 in the other set, and I thought I'd like to make them available to you. So what I've done is I've scanned them in high resolution and have made them available in a digital printout. So you'll be able to find these in my Etsy shop. The link will be in the comments of this video. And in this video, I wanted to show you how to go about transferring them from the digital print into an actual tag. And there are some additional things that you could add to it once you've done that. So what we're going to do, I'll just put those to the side. So once you purchase, you'll automatically have availability to download this in PDF or JPEG, whichever way is easiest for you to print out. And then you can just print it out on a color printer and then you'll have them available. You can print them out as many times as you like, so you can make as many tags as you want. So what we're going to do is we're just going to cut this out. Stick that onto a piece of cardstock. You can use any color cardstock you want. If you want to have because the back side will be on the other side of the tag, you can have a different color or you can have it just plain. I'm just using this plain white cardstock, so I'm just trimming that little bit there. So I'm just going to use just regular glue. I'm going to use a piece of scrap paper on the other end, just so that I can make sure I get in all the edges. And then we're just going to stick that. I'll use the one corner so I don't have to do too much cutting. Just stick that down, and then maybe I'll use my cutter for this one. We're just going to trim it. Side, and then just trim off the little corners. I'll just grab this little end here, it didn't cut straight. And there you have it on the tag. Then you can just use a hole punch to punch your little hole. There is a guide there so you can actually see where to punch it. And then what you can do is you can just use some distress ink, and although some of the tags already have a distressed edge in the actual image, you can just add additional if there's any of the card maybe showing, or you want to make it a little bit darker or use a different color. You can just distress it some more. And then you can use a little hole protector. I just have these craft colored ones that I have, and what I do is I actually just take these letter stamps or any stamp and I just stamp here and there just to give it a little bit of a design, and then I'm going to stick it on there. So I'll just take this one that's got the A. It doesn't have to be, the A doesn't have to be straight. Just like that. And then we can take I've got 2 different cords here that we can use to tie through. I'll just do it this way. So long we can just trim that. And there you have a tag that is ready for your journal. Now, if you want, you could leave it just like that, or you could add additional layers. You could add maybe additional stamps to it, or do some more stamping. You could add some flowers, some beads. You can make it your own. This can just be the basis or your inspiration for the tag, or you could use it as is. So there's 7 designs available, and you can use them as you like. And I hope you enjoy making these tags and using them in your projects. I'd love it if you subscribed to my channel and I'll see you again soon. Bye.